In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Yahoo Mail. Open your preferred web browser and head to yahoo.com. Make sure you're on the official Yahoo site by checking the address bar for the correct URL and the secure padlock icon. This helps you avoid lookalike pages that can't actually log you in. At the top right of the homepage, click the Sign In button. This takes you to Yahoo's login page. On this screen, you'll see a field where you can enter your Yahoo username, your full email address, or your mobile number associated with the account. Type it in carefully, watching for extra spaces or autocorrect changes. If you're on a personal device, you can choose to stay signed in for convenience, but skip that on any shared or public computer. If you prefer, you can sign in with Google instead. Choosing this option will redirect you to pick your Google account and approve the connection. It's handy if your Yahoo and Google accounts are linked, and it saves you from typing a separate password. Once you've entered your username, select Next to continue. You'll now be prompted for your Yahoo password. Enter it exactly as it was created. Passwords are case sensitive, so double check caps lock and any special characters. If you use a password manager, now's a great time to let it fill in the details for you. When you're ready, click Next again. At this point, Yahoo may offer to let you sign in with your fingerprint or a device-generated code. This is a passkey style option that can make future logins faster and more secure by using your device's built-in authentication. If that sounds useful, click Allow and follow the prompts to set it up. If you'd rather not enable it right now, choose Not Now to skip and continue with your current sign-in. After you've completed the sign-in, look back to the top right of the page and click Mail. That opens your Yahoo Mail inbox so you can read, send, and manage your messages right away. If everything went smoothly, you're in. If not, a few quick checks can help. Confirm you typed the correct username, verify the password characters, and ensure you have a stable internet connection. For security, always sign out when you're finished on a shared device, and consider turning on two-step verification in your account settings later for extra protection. That's it. Now you know exactly how to sign into Yahoo Mail with confidence and a few helpful time-saving tips along the way.